According to the results received and compiled through our parallel voter tabulation, PVT, based on information transmitted to us from polling stations and totaling centers across the country, our tabulation indicates that we have won this election. We have won this election both at presidential level and majority seats in parliament. We therefore view the continued delay in the transparent announcement and verification of presidential results with grave concern. The pattern of reports reaching us raises legitimate fears that this delay could create an opportunity for interference with or manipulation of the results. We call for the immediate publication of the results in accordance with the law and for all stakeholders to be given access to the relevant electoral records so that the will of the Zambian people can be independently verified. We have received deeply troubling reports from several parts of the country which require urgent explanation by the Electoral Commission of Zambia and relevant authorities. In Mufurila, for example, we have received reports that members of the military have taken control of certain totaling centers and that Gen 20 forms are allegedly being removed. These reports must be addressed immediately. Electoral materials are not the property of any political party, government officials, or security institutions. They are part of the official record of the sovereign decision made by the Zambian people. Presidential ballots are counted at polling station level alongside other elections, and presidential results are therefore available to party agents through prescribed electoral documentation. It should consequently surprise no one that our agents and structures have been able to obtain results from across the country and establish a clear trend through our PVT. We are equally concerned about reported incidents involving ballot boxes in Chawama and Matero constituencies. Any allegation of ballot boxes being unlawfully removed, stolen, interfered with, or transported outside established electoral procedures must be investigated immediately and transparently. Those responsible, if these allegations are established, must be held accountable under the law. In Northwestern Province, we have received reports that returning officers and presiding officers have been instructed to stop issuing results and Gen 20 forms. If confirmed, such conduct would be wholly unacceptable. Election results belong to the people. Party agents and other persons entitled by law to receive electoral records must not be denied to them. In Northern Province, we have further received disturbing reports concerning the alleged involvement of a senior government official in the movement of government ballot boxes, including allegations that officers transporting ballot boxes to the totaling center have been instructed to pass through the official's residence before proceeding to the designated center. These allegations are extremely serious and demand immediate investigation. No ballot box should be diverted from legally prescribed chain of custody. I would like to issue a timely warning to my dear sister, Deputy PS Undi in Kasama, who has been mentioned in this particular case. So my dear sister Undi, stop what you're doing. Let the will of the Zambian people prevail. I therefore call upon the Electoral Commission of Zambia to act decisively and transparently. Preserve every ballot, preserve every Gen 20 form and other electoral record. Protect the chain of custody. Allow accredited political party agents and observers to perform their lawful functions. Publish the results, polling station by polling station, and constituency by constituency, so that every figure announced can be reconciled against the original records. I equally call upon men and women in uniform to remember that their loyalty is to the Constitution and the Republic of Zambia, not to any individual, political party, or temporary holder of public office. The institutions of the state must remain impartial. Their responsibility at this critical moment is to protect the people, electoral officials, and electoral materials, and not to interfere with the democratic process. To our party agents, monitors, supporters, and citizens across the country, remain peaceful, vigilant, and within the law. Protecting the vote does not mean engaging in violence or confronting security personnel. It means documenting results, preserving copies of lawful electoral records, reporting irregularities through the appropriate channels, and insisting peacefully upon transparency. To those administering this election, I say this: Zambia is bigger than all of us. Governments come and go, but the republic remains. No temporary political advantage is worth damaging the institutions upon which our democracy depends. If the official results differ from the results recorded at polling stations, the answer is not a secrecy. The answer is transparency. Put the records before the nation and allow every number to be reconciled. The people of Zambia voted. That decision must be respected. This is the moment of patriotism, restraint, and courage. Let every Zambian who's been entrusted with the people's vote discharge their responsibility faithfully. Let us be patriots. Let us protect the vote peacefully and lawfully. Let us defend the sovereign will of the Zambian people. I will at this juncture call upon the international community and all stakeholders, including international monitors, to take specific interest on the issues that I've raised in this statement, so that we have a transparent and accountable process throughout this election. We expect that the stakeholders will immediately engage the Electoral Commission of Zambia so that they provide the answers that the Zambian people need. I will also urge the Electoral Commission of Zambia to immediately address the nation, updating them on the issues that we've raised in this statement, so that every Zambian remains peaceful, every Zambian remains confident that the electoral process will deliver the result in accordance with the will of the people of Zambia. One Zambia, one nation.